Hello everybody, welcome back to yet another unboxing video where we grab something that we have in stock, talk about what it is and what it does. Today, we're going to be unboxing the B2 Audio Rage 2.3K, a 2300 watt 2-channel amplifier that's ready to bring raw power to your sound system. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First up, let's talk about what this thing actually brings. It's going to bring the user manual, a handy guide to get you up and running with all the key specs and setup info. It's going to have the mounting hardware and a couple of hex wrenches for easy installation. Now for the main event, the B2 Audio Rage 2.3K. It's compact, but don't let the size fool you. This thing packs 2300 watts of pure power, perfect for audio setups where space is limited, but performance is a must. This amplifier uses high EF Class D technology, which means you're getting top tier efficiency. It delivers massive bass and crystal clear highs without wasting energy. The dual-channel bridge design gives you ultimate flexibility. Run it as 2 separate channels, or bridge them for one massive 2300 watt output. With advanced protection features like thermal overload, short circuit, overcurrent protection, your system stays safe even when you push it to the max, so you can rock your sound without worry. Now let's get into the features a little bit more. The RMS power at 4 ohms per channel is going to be 650 watts, and the RMS power at 2 ohms per channel is going to be 1150 watts. When you bridge it at 4 ohms, it's going to release 2300 watts, as a frequency response from 10 Hz all the way to 27 kHz. The signal to noise ratio is up to 95 decibels, and it has a crossover circuit of 24 decibels. Additionally, it has a power terminal gauge of 0 GA and a fuse rating of 250 amps. Now let's talk about the prices. The B2 Audio 2.3K is going to come down to $699.95. And if you're interested in getting this, you can get it at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/B2 Audio. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it, and it does help out the channel. Additionally, if you want to comment something that you would like to see unboxed, just put it down in the comments below. Catch you in the next one.